going to compare Nextcloud versus Immich, which self-hosted media platform is better. So Nextcloud pros: full private cloud solution like Google Drive, Calendar, email, and etc. Strong file sharing, syncing, and user access control. Tons of plugins and app ecosystem. Cons: not optimized for large media libraries. Photo browsing and AI features are basic, heavier on system resources. Immich pros: built specifically for managing media, great performance and modern interface, AI features, face detection, similarity search, etc. Docker deployment is easy. Cons: focused only on photos, videos, no document storage, no calendar, still maturing, occasional bugs or breaking updates, not suitable for general cloud use. So in conclusion, Immich is faster, smarter, more modern, best for managing personal or family photo videos. Nextcloud, versatile and extensible, best for general private cloud with media and support.